Okay, guys, so there is all kind of foolation going on here today. I have so much going on. As you can see, I have wreath orders. There's a wreath I just completed. There's some down on the floor. I have just finished doing a shopping haul video. Just a whole bunch of foolation. Beautiful centerpieces. I'm about to deliver those. But I got home and my boxes were awaiting me. Look, you guys, so excited, so excited. So I'm not gonna unbox that one just yet. That is another surprise. I'm actually waiting on a part 2 to that one, but I am going to unbox this beauty. You guys, this is from King of Christmas. King of Christmas. I have collabed with them to do some Christmas decor this year. They sent me this box here and it is full of goodies. So let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. Okay, trying to make sure you guys can see. So let's get this open. Let's set that there. First thing, super cute, you guys. Super cute. Okay, it's got the little burlap. This is a tree. I believe it's a 3 or 4 foot tree. So we have to get that all fluffed out, but it is a frosted, you guys. Loving that. Okay, so set that there. And here is a wreath. Looks like it's battery operated as well. There is a little bit of fallout here, you guys, but I'll just get it nice and fluff out. Yeah, it's gonna be cute, so we'll set that there. Okay, here is the other tree. There's 2 trees, so cute. Okay, and then the final piece in the bundle was this beautiful garland. So let me get everything fluffed out, you guys, and then we will come back, okay? Okay, guys, here is footage of one tree fluffed, one is not. The garland is partially fluffed, and I have gone ahead and fluffed out the wreath. To see how I style all of these beautiful pieces, I want you all to stay tuned. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and you don't want to miss my Christmas series. Smooches.